So in this video I am going to explain about problems on difference equation. Here the problem is on find the impulse response of the system described by the difference equation. So this is the equation which is given, so using Z transform. So take this equation y of n minus 1 3 into y of n minus 1 minus y of n minus 2 is equal to x of n plus 2 into x of n minus 1. So apply Z transform on both sides. So here Z transform of y of n is nothing but y of z, and 3 into y of the Z transform of y of n minus 1 is equal to z inverse of y of z minus y of n minus 2 Z transform is z minus 2 y of z is equal to x of n Z transform is x of z plus 2 into z inverse x of z. So in order to find out the small h of n, first find out the transfer function h of z. So we already know the transfer function which is nothing but output by input. Output is nothing but y of z by x of z. So in the above equation common y of z is equal to x of z, here common x of z. So y of z by x of z is equal to 1 plus 2 z inverse divided by 1 minus 3 z inverse minus 4 z power minus 2. Multiply z square on numerator and denominator. Now h of z is equal to, so this is not in the equation form. In order to get this equation in equation, we have to multiply numerator and denominator by z square. So after multiplying z square, multiply z square for this equation. So that is common z here. Z into z of z plus 2 divided by z square minus 3z plus 4. So here z square, so take this z left hand side, that is h of z by z is equal to z plus 2 by z square minus 3z plus 4, which is equal to z plus 1 divided by z minus 4 into z plus 1. So by partial fraction method, so this is not the impulse response. Impulse response is nothing but small h of n. That is by partial fraction method find out. So this equation you have to write it in a fraction form. So that is z plus 2 divided by z minus 4 into z plus 1. So h of z divided by z is equal to, so in partial form capital A divided by z minus 4 plus b plus z plus 1. Now here in order to find out A is equal to, so z minus 4 into z plus 2 divided by z minus 4 into z plus 2 at z is equal to 4. So here z minus 4 get cancelled and substitute z place in place of z substitute 4. That is here is value is 4. 4 plus 2 divided by 4 plus 1, that is 6 divided by 5. A is equal to 6 by 5. So B is equal to, so if you find out B value, that is z plus 1 into z plus 2. So this is nothing but h of z by z value. Okay. So at z is equal to minus 1. So this one get cancelled and in place of z substitute minus 1 value. So minus 1 plus 2 divided by minus 1 minus 4 is equal to 1 by minus of 1 by 5. This is B value. Then h of z by z is equal to, so A by z minus 4 plus B by z plus 1. Then value, A value is 6 by 5, substitute here, and B value is minus 1 by 5, substitute here. Then, so then z, you have to take this z from right side. That is 6 by 5 into z by z minus 4 minus 1 by 5 into z by z plus 1. Apply inverse transform of inverse z transform. So the inverse z transform of h of z is nothing but h of n. So 6 by 5 into z by z minus a, the inverse transform is 4 by n into u of n minus 1 by 5 into so the z transform of z by z plus 1 is minus 1 by n u of n.